Good morning, students. This is your social science class and myself, Preeti Sharma. Today, we will discuss short questions and long questions of chapter number 2, Civics. See, the first question is, why should the government look after public health? Public health is an asset for the country. Healthcare in India are unequal and the poor cannot afford them. The government schools set up hospitals in rural areas. And the next question is, discuss the different ways through which the government can improve and provide healthcare for all. And the answer is, health conditions throughout our country are not good. It is responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens. There is a need to set up more hospitals in the country, particularly in villages and tribal areas. They should also organize some healthcare education camps in different areas. Now, third question, how would you try to remain in good health? Every citizen has a right to basic amenities needed to keep good health. We should keep our surroundings clean and free from mosquitoes and flies because they spread diseases. Use of boiled and filtered water is also necessary. All of us should maintain an exercise routine and take a balanced diet. Now, fourth question is, describe the role of Anganwadis in healthcare. Anganwadi workers and helpers are the grassroots functionaries at village level for delivery of service under central and state government scheme. These people also provide nutritious meals to children. Now, next question is, what difference do you find between private and public health services? Beta, we have discussed in the chapter also. The people having low income go to the public or government hospitals, and in government hospitals there is lack of beds because more patients visit them daily. In private hospitals provide good facilities, but they charge heavily for the treatment. The treatment is better because they are equipped with modern facilities. Now, long answer type questions. Question number 1 is, describe the story of Hakim Sheikh. Why did the state government reimburse amount of money he had to spend at private hospitals for his treatment? Here is a story beta of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was a member of PBKMS, Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. One day he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered massive injury. He was rushed to many government hospitals in Kolkata but was not admitted due to shortage of bed and doctors. After 14 hours he could get medical treatment in a private hospital. This private hospital charged him heavily for his treatment. Hakim Sheikh was so upset and angry that he filed a case in court. Therefore, in case of Hakim Sheikh, the court directed the state government to reimburse amount of money. Hakim Sheikh spent on his treatment at private hospital. Next question is, what was the unique decision taken by Kerala government in 1996? What were its effects? In order to improve the healthcare facilities in Kerala, a program was undertaken by the state government in which 40% of the state fund was given to Panchayat. In year 1996, the Panchayat was given funds to provide better facilities to villagers. Women upliftment programs were also organized. Education and Anganwadis was provided to the children. It resulted in a huge success and the situation in the villages improved. Health centers started functioning properly. Schools enrolled more students. This was the effect of this program. After this, third question is, the healthiest of all countries of Latin America is Costa Rica. Why? क्यों healthiest कहा जाता है? The healthiest of all countries of Latin America is Costa Rica. It was decided in country's constitution not to have any army. It is a known fact that a government has to spend a lot of money on maintenance of army. So it is decided to spend amount that would be spent on the army on needs of public health and basic needs of people of Costa Rica. But a fourth question is value based question, so it is cut. So this is your chapter. Now your chapter is completed. Thank you so much and have a nice day.